Welcome again, back it's a boy Eldoh. Today, the rain of fall and play school, life lesson. I really like how the artist really made certain things and put him lyrics together and construct his song and whatnot. For this particular video, we go dive into FL Studio and show you how that particular beat was constructed. It was made by me, it's just some form of recreation. So bear in mind, it is not an exact replica, it's just just something. I could have over in the FL Studio and show you what. Now we're back in FL Studio, and what I'm going to do is show you a variation of that particular beat that you could see how that beat was constructed in a similar manner for that song. For the first sound here, I have Berlin grand piano, in which I selected the Berlin mood library to give it a warmer tone, but the piano in the actual song itself, it is bright, and I have layered it with the Steinway D piano from the Berlin Orchestra Inspire series contact library. The chord progression is in C sharp minor at 100 BPM. It's an odd way to construct a chord, but in context it does play a vital role in the writing or construction of the song. This is what it sounds like with it. This is the second pattern that plays a vital role in the song also of the pianos. For the next sound, I use a sound from Serum, in which it's a pluck sound called So Dreamy, and for this melody it plays a vital role in one section of the song, but this is what the first form of the melody sounds like. The second variation of the melody, the third variation of the melody. And now for the bass, I use the JP 8 triangle preset from Trillion. This is the bass melody and the progression that it goes in. This is what it sounds like. Sounds a little bit weird by itself, but in context it does make sense. I added some kick. A soft kick would suffice for this beat because it doesn't sound really aggressive that much. Another variation of the kick. Some snares. Some hi-hats. I added a percussion. Next variation of the hi-hats. In context, this is what the beat sounds like. cook up this beat, tell me what you think, and leave some comments below if it's a nice variation or you get the idea of the variation of the song same way. So you don't know, it's a boy Rado. Subscribe, hit the bell notification button, follow me on our social media, and I'll catch you in another video. Peace out.